it's Katie, and I was literally just about to walk out my door right now to go hiking when I heard the news. Nintendo just announced Hyrule Warriors. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so excited about this game. It's ridiculous. Well, since it just came out today, you probably have no clue what I'm talking about. But guys, Hyrule Warriors is a new game for the Wii U coming out in 2014 that basically you are Link. And it's not a new Legend of Zelda game. Unfortunately, it's not, but this sounds so awesome that I don't even care. I'm so excited. Basically, you get to play as Link in melee combat against all these amazing Legend of Zelda enemies. And I mean, they just released the trailer. Look at it. It's insane. You basically get to fight King Dodongo. Like, what? This is right out in the middle of Hyrule Field. Like, this is just... My mind is blowing right now because I'm so excited about this game. People are comparing it to Dynasty Warriors, so I think it's going to be something a little bit like that, where you're in melee combat. And not only do you get to fight awesome enemies from the Legend of Zelda franchise, but you also get to use a lot of the amazing Zelda weapons as well. And it said that you will also be able to open up the treasure chests and get new weapons and things like that. And it's just, I'm so excited. Legend of Zelda is my favorite game franchise of all time. I mean, I'm always looking for someone to fight when I'm playing, and now you actually get a melee combat Zelda game where you get to play as Link and go up against all these amazing bad guys from Zelda and get to fight with all the weapons. And it even looks like Link has a new spinning sword move. And I am just so excited about this. Have you guys heard the news yet? If not, here's a link to the trailer. Go watch it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is ridiculous. I'm literally crazy because I'm so excited right now. But go watch the trailer. Let me know what you guys think. Are you as excited as I am about this game for the Wii U? Hyrule Warriors. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna go hiking now. Okay, bye. Hey guys, don't forget you can now get awesome Legend of Katie and Dragon merchandise in my store at katiewilson.spreadshirt.com. Make sure you check it out because there is a ton of awesome dragon things.